Tired of juggling multiple apps? Introducing Brain Extension, an all-in-one centralized second brain. Using Brain Extension, you can manage your action items, manage your areas, goals, projects, and finally your tasks. Upgrade your task and project management. Using Brain Extension, you can track, build, and grow. Build good habits. Build your reading library. Track your watch list. Track daily journal. Track health metrics. Track workout sessions. Track weekly reminders. Using Brain Extension, you can store future references, like quick notes, notebooks, and bookmarks.
Wait, are you saying we can have all of these in one place?
Absolutely. But wait, there's more. Brain Extension features 3 frameworks: GTD system, Para method, and the flow routine. Flow routine includes 5 stages: source, track, organize, schedule, and grind. This routine will help you enter the flow state and focus on things that matter. Next, quick capture system. Brain Extension lets you capture everything, even on the go. Finally, statistics, aka the most requested feature. View your system at a glance. Monthly version updates. 30-day money-back guarantee. And that's what Brain Extension is. Grab your copy now at www.brainextension.xyz.